Hello, everybody. I just wanted to take a minute to show you how to graph a piecewise function in XYZ. It's a little bit picky with how it grades, and so I wanted to warn you a little bit about that. Ignore the function that I've got written up here on my problem. You'll have a different problem, and I'm just going to graph the one that I did in the video, the first one with the 2 lines. So 1/2 x plus 3 if x is less than 2, 5 minus x if x is greater than or equal to 2. So possibly you have that written in your notes somewhere. So I'm going to go ahead and graph that one. And that one had an open circle. So I'm going to grab this open dot option here. And that was at 2, 4. And then that line had a slope of 1/2. So I'm going to grab this line. And be careful with the line. Don't try to drag it. If you do that, it's going to give you all kinds of craziness and let you draw whatever you feel like. So I'm going to clear that off. That clearly is not what I want. So I'm going to go up to 2, 4 with that open dot. Grab the line. You're going to click once for the starting point. So I'm going to click once here at 2, 4, and then I'm going to make sure it goes with a slope of 1/2. So it had a y-intercept of 3. So I'll make sure I go there. And you don't want to stop here. Okay, this is where XYZ and I get into a fight because I would think that that would be okay. But their way of having you draw the arrow on the end is going all the way to the edge of the graph paper. So you have to do that or else it's not going to give you full credit. So I'm going to clear this again. I'm going to draw my open dot at 2, 4 and draw my line that's going all the way. And I'm just going to make sure that I've got it with the right slope. Double click to tell it that you're done with the line. So picky. Okay, so then I'm going to draw the other half of it, which was 5 minus x. But that was for x greater than or equal to 2. So that was at the point 2, 3. Again, all of this is figured out in the video that I did earlier. And then I'm going to connect the dots. So I'm going to click here on the dot, and then I'm going to make sure I'm drawing a line with a negative slope and that I don't stop here. I got to go all the way to the last tick mark that they give me there on the edge. Double click, and that's my line. All right, and I'm not going to, I'm not going to check that answer because I graphed a function that was not the one that they gave us. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions about it. That's in general how you get XYZ to graph you a piecewise function.